What is up? It's your boy Aing, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we got an informative one. Today we're talking about the type of person that cannot modify a Tacoma. Now, I'm gonna go over some things that you have to expect being in the real world about modifying your Toyota Tacoma. Now, in one of my last videos, I said this is gonna be a great video because it includes me. But what I meant to say was this is gonna be a good video because I too need this information. I hope that makes a little bit more sense. I wasn't just being like conceited. So this is my 2021 Toyota Tacoma SR5, Voodoo Blue, beautiful, beautiful Voodoo Blue. You already know the dealio. Now, I am slowly but surely modifying this truck. Some stuff is on the way, some stuff I've canceled that was on the way. Patience. Patience is key. Literally, because I am impatient, I've canceled some modifications that now, if I try to reorder, will only take longer. So, patience is the #1 thing that you want to keep in mind, especially, that's a bird. Especially in time, hey, don't, bird. Especially in times like now where everything is super pricey, everything is super delayed, everything is on like super crazy back order. You have to put your order in and you just have to wait. And one thing I will say, companies are setting the date further than they actually are sometimes. So keep that in mind. Don't get deterred by the 3-month wait, because sometimes they get them in earlier and well, you can get your modification earlier. I ordered a grill that said it wasn't supposed to get here until February. Now it's supposed to get here sometime in November. I also ordered headlights that aren't supposed to get here until February. Now it's supposed to get here this Sunday. #2, do your research. Understand that these Tacomas, although they look very alike on the exterior, they do have some hidden different things about them. Now, for example, I was about to order some headlights off Tacoma Beast for like $430, $440. They said TRD or SR5. I didn't know what they were talking about, so I said, whatever. But I decided to take a step back, and the thing is, we have headlights, high beams, and then this is your turn signal / DRL. It's kind of like two built into one. But if you have an off-road, if you have a sport, one of the higher trims, there's an extra light in the housing. So if I would have ordered one for a TRD off-road, well then one of the functions would have not been functional. So you got to be patient, you got to do your research, but you also have to be willing to spend more money than you are expecting to spend. Does that make any sense at all? I hope it does. But what I'm talking about here is I got my lift kit, I got my wheels, and everything was nice and dandy until I needed different lug nuts. I ended up spending like $120 on lug nuts. Now, I ended up getting some of the money refunded, but that's $120 extra that I had to spend. Then I had to spend an extra $200 on an alignment. That didn't work out, so I spent another $100 on alignment. Then I had to spend money on getting my TPMS sensors transferred from these tires to my new tires, stacking up more and more bills. So every time I'm modifying my truck now, all I think about is Tundra Dude 34. He says you have to pay to play, and that's exactly what I think about modifying your Toyota Tacoma, any type of vehicle really. You have to pay to play. It takes more money than you expect every single time. #4 plays right into #3. You're gonna need a lot of time, and if you don't got time to do these modifications, you're just gonna need more money for the installation. I don't know how many of you guys can do your installs, but you may have to pay someone to do that. If you don't know how to do headlight changes, fog light changes, you have to pay someone to do that if you don't have the time. Me personally, I don't do nothing. I work and then do YouTube as much as I can. After work, I can do my installs, I can do my own modifications, so that's not a problem. I know a lot of you guys have little critters that, you know, run around and bug you on the weekends, that maybe have a soccer game, baseball game, whatever it may be. Expect to spend a lot of time modifying the truck. I think those are 4 really good things to take into consideration when you're modifying these trucks. Alrighty, well, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave an early like, a comment, and a subscription. Let me know if there's anything that I missed. Nonetheless, it's been your boy. I'm at Like and Naughty. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.